Pelican 1560 survives explosions, floods, and a horse? This case might be built by aliens. You're out in the field, adrenaline pumping, juggling cameras, drones, or gear worth more than your car, and bam! Rain hits, your backpack rips, or gravity reminds you who's boss. That sinking feeling? We've all had it. It's like Murphy's Law is your travel buddy. If you're stuck with flimsy cases, mystery foam, or zippers that scream cheap, you're gambling every trip. Stop risking thousands on a $30 case. You need gear armor that laughs in the face of chaos, and we found it. Spoiler alert, it once survived a literal plane crash and didn't even flinch. We've seen it all: drones snapped in half mid-hike, lenses swimming in saltwater, and GoPros that went from hero to zero after one tumble. Deadlines missed. Memories gone. Warranties denied. Creators, adventurers, and tactical pros are burning out, not from the journey, but from constantly fixing what shouldn't break. That's not rugged, that's reckless. Why are we trusting cheap plastic with irreplaceable tools? Your gear deserves a throne, not a coffin. The pain's real: wasted time, wasted cash, lost opportunities. One cracked lens could cost more than this entire beast of a case. Let that sink in. This ain't just a case, it's a war-tested vault. The Pelican 1560 with foam is engineered with Copolymer polypropylene, stainless steel hardware, crushproof walls, and a watertight seal that keeps water out even after a plane crash into the sea. And yeah, it's been dropped from helicopters, steamrolled by SUVs, and used as a car jack in the Gobi Desert. Inside? Your gear stays cozy in customizable pick-and-pluck foam. Double throw latches? Easy open. Pressure equalization valve? No vac-sealed nightmares. Want military-grade protection without the Pentagon price tag? This case flexes harder than your CrossFit instructor. Here's the deal. 100% watertight, crushproof, dustproof, and drama-proof. Got fragile equipment? This case turns chaos into calm. Its smooth wheels glide like butter, the retractable handle won't snap like a twig, and those reinforced padlock protectors? Basically Fort Knox for your GoPro. Whether you're shooting documentaries in the Arctic or lugging gear to Burning Man, this case brings peace of mind. TSA-approved? You bet. Trust it for firearms, cameras, or that weird antique telescope you won on eBay. Click below and explore why pros, preppers, and storm chasers swear by Pelican. Your gear will never be the same, in the best way. Pelican's not a brand. It's a survival story factory. With thousands of 5-star reviews, globe-trotting battle stories, and hardcore pro users from military to Hollywood, this case sells out fast. And once it's gone, you're back to bubble wrap and crossed fingers. Don't risk your passion, your paycheck, or your priceless gear to chance. Gear up like your future depends on it, because sometimes it actually does. Tap that link. Grab your Pelican 1560. Flex on nature, physics, and poor quality competitors. Because surviving a superstorm with your equipment intact? That's a flex worth filming.